Hi there, so I'm just going to show you how to assign your colleagues, your employees to benefits in Cenefits. So if you just click on the assign button, then you'll see, just a list of all sort of benefits that you've been assigned to by public organizations. You can filter that list by contract, so you type in the contract name or auto complete it, and then you see the benefits within that contract. And then to assign them, you just literally click on the one or all of them or that you want to select, and select the name of the employee that you'd like to select, or employees. You can select more than one at a time, and click on assign, and then click on assign, and then they'll be assigned to that benefit. And what that means is, by default, as an administrator of your organization, when a public organization assigns a benefit to your organization, you are the person that receives all the email alerts prompting you to submit evidence and scores for the different benefits for the different delivery dates, and then you're the person that can upload those evidence and scores. And in a really small organization or an SME, maybe that's fine. But in a larger organization, you're probably going to have one or two admins, and then users who are either working on the projects or who represent a particular region of the country, who you're going to want to assign to those benefits in your stead. And this is how that essentially works. One other thing you can do, as well as just typing in the contract name, you can also use this filter to find exactly which contracts you want, or what have you, based on a number of fields: the sort of outcome of the benefit, the type of contract, the budget type, organization, as in the public organization that's assigned the benefit, benefit model, number of points, benefit value, supplier and delivery partner executive. So this is this is actually referring to people that you've assigned. So as we just described, you've assigned these users to benefits. You can filter by the particular people that you've already assigned. You can filter by score, date range, delivery date, benefit status, and contract value. So you can, there's a whole range of different things you can filter by, so rather than just the contract name. And then you get a list of benefits relevant to the filter that you've applied, and you can assign people as I've described. If you want to unassign people, then you probably need to filter by either supplier executive or delivery partner executive to find the person that you want to find, and then the benefit you want to unassign them from. So you can filter by a particular person and by a particular contract if you like, and then select the things you want to unassign, select the employee, and then unassign, and then click on the unassign button, and I'll remove them from those benefits. So that's how you assign and unassign employees from benefits, and what that means. Thank you.